Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Akanksha and I post weekly videos about mindful living, personal growth and science of happiness. If you're new here, consider subscribing. In today's video, I am sharing with you my daily winter night routine, hoping you get some ideas to create your own. With that, let's get started. The first thing I do after coming to my room is take a look around and mindfully see what do I need to attend to. I then start decluttering, cleaning and organizing different parts of my room one by one. Decluttering is a great way for me to feel organized and more in control. I find this exercise very relaxing and it's a great way for me to start my winding down routine. I start with decluttering my working space for the day. If there are any clothes lying around, I typically fold them back and put it in my wardrobe or the laundry bag. When I'm at it, I also take a moment to pull out my nightwear. I then move on to clearing and cleaning the surfaces in my room. Surfaces usually tend to accumulate clutter, and cleaning them immediately makes the room look and feel clutter-free and clean. For me, this includes my work desk, side tables, and another side table that I have in my room. Once I'm done, I go to the bathroom to freshen up. Once I'm in, I get into my nightwear, brush my teeth, and also wash up. I then move on to following a simple skin and hair care routine. For my face, I use this Kumkumadi oil from an Ayurvedic brand called Shankara. I'll put the link to buy this in my description in case you're interested. For my hair, I simply comb it and I put it in a pleat so that my hair are a little more organized as I go to my bed. After this, I do a very calming ritual, which is prepare myself a warm cup of water. I think drinking hot water slows me down and brings my attention to the present moment, which is a great way for me to relax and feel calm. Once my water is ready, I make my bed extra warm and cozy by adding some blankets. And I hop on and begin my journaling routine. For my night routine, I use two journals. The first one is my mindful journal, which I use to de-stress my mind, explore my thoughts, and build a positive mindset. By the way, I teach journaling techniques in my online workshops. In case you're interested in joining, I would leave a sign-up link in the description below. The second journal is a planner, which I use to assess my previous day and plan the next one. I go through what I've done in a day and make my to-do list for the next one. I also use this planner to track my daily habits, my mood, and my water intake. Once I'm done decluttering my mind and feeling more organized for the next day, I do the last thing for the day before I doze off, and that is reading a book. Sometimes it's a physical book and other times it's on Kindle on my phone. My reading ritual is a way for me to fill myself with inspiring and empowering thoughts before I sleep. As I am on a building my habits journey, I also make a daily update post on Instagram before I go to sleep. By the way, you can totally follow me there for daily inspiration on building healthy habits and living mindfully. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some inspiration to build your own night routine, which by the way I think is really important to build some calm and mindfulness in your life, given how busy our days can get. Consider subscribing to my channel for more content on mindful living, personal growth, and science of happiness. That's all for now. I'll see you next week. Wish you a happy, fulfilling, and mindful week ahead. Until we meet next time. Bye.